$1,268, your price tag for the economic recovery. American families are $1,268 poorer than they were when President Obama took office. It's the drop in median household income, a major reason why so many Americans feel so gloomy about the economy. Now, there is a lot to be happy about. Unemployment below 5%, steady job growth, record high job openings. But that drop in household income, that sluggish wage growth overshadows it all. And that's fueling the presidential election. Democrats want to raise the minimum wage. Republicans want lower taxes to spur job growth. Americans haven't had a raise in years, and that's the feeling so-called political outsiders like Donald Trump and Bernie Sanders have tapped into.